Late night snack. I don't make chunks anymore because um for some reason I don't like the taste of it anymore, like the microwave chunks and the oven chunks. I don't like the taste of them anymore. So I just prefer the powder. And it's like my taste is changing in the starch. All of a sudden it's like all like the different ones that I don't try. For some reason they all taste the same. I don't know if because I haven't been eating it, like that because I stopped for a little minute. Like I don't eat it like I used to. I eat it every blue moon now, so I don't know if that's could be the reason of how I used to eat it. Because I used to eat it. I used to have a really bad habit of where I eat it a lot. But now it's like every time I try a different one, and Clabber Girl, for some reason that one doesn't taste good to me anymore at all. I stopped buying Clabber Girl. I don't like it. And when I do the chunks, it have a weird taste to me now. Like I don't like it. Even the Argo, I tried Argo laundry. I tried a lot of different ones, and they for some reason like they all taste the same. I don't know what that's about, but maybe it's a sign for me to stop completely because I really slowed up. Right now, this is about the only one that I'm eating. Sometimes I eat Great Value from Walmart every blue moon, but Claver Girl I don't buy no more. Argo Laundry I don't buy anymore. And that Chestnut Hill I buy that every blue moon, but it for some reason with that one I don't know if it's just me or do the other ones that eat that one, Chestnut Hill, I think that's the name of it. It tastes so thick and so dry to me. It really does, and you be about to choke off that one. I don't really mess with that one too much. So, like I said, look like I'm just down to really one. But and that cream starch, I don't know. I don't know. Like I say, maybe it's a sign for me to leave all of it alone because I haven't been eating it like I normally do in a minute. So whatever. And another reason I kind of slowed up with eating it is because I don't really know the side effects of cornstarch, but I know when I eat it, like I was eating it, I have the worst and the baddest headache, migraine there is. And it will not go away. It will not go away. But as soon as I slow up and eating this, it eases up some. But then it's hard to say if it's the cornstarch or my blood pressure pills, because I do take blood pressure pills, and those also give me a migraine. So I really don't know which one is doing it, but no, I'm not gonna hold y'all long. I'm gonna going to call it a night. It's what, after, I don't got on my glasses, I can't see that far. I think it's after 2 o'clock, I believe, in the AM. My husband at work, so that's basically it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, show your girl some love. Thanks for everybody for tuning in. I appreciate the love. I appreciate, you know, the comments, the subscribe, the likes. I'm having a really bad hair day. I gotta get my hair done, my lashes done, my eyebrows. My nails need to be redone. I just ain't been in the mood to do anything. I need to get off my behind and go do my girly duties. Ladies, y'all know how that is. Sometimes you have good days, sometimes you have bad days. But anyway, y'all have a good morning, good night, whatever y'all want to call it. And I'm going to go ahead and log off and put this cornstarch up. Hopefully, I'll be able to leave it alone completely because it's not healthy. It's really not. You know, and it's a very, very bad habit that I picked up. I'm being honest. You know, it make you gain weight. Like I said, I don't know if it's the cause of me having any headaches and migraines. You know, it's addictive and it's really not good on your body. You know what I'm saying? In the long run, it'll clog up your arteries and everything else. You know, so I'm not trying to have that to happen. So I am. That's why my doctor told me to leave it alone. But I told her I have, but really I haven't. But I did slow down a lot. I slowed down a lot with eating this cornstarch. But every now and then when I get stressed, I get aggravated. My body calls for it. So I try not to get stressed or depressed or anything like that. But, you know, that's part of life. We all go through things. We all have different habits that we have, you know. Some people have habits of going to clubs, some have habits of smoking, some have habits of drinking, some have habits of eating cornstarch. What the heck would that just popped up at my thing? I don't know, but anyway, let me end this video. I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed. I'm tired, I'm sleepy, had a long day, so love you guys. Peace.